Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Mad Raptor. I'm here at the Powerlines track in WA. As you can see, the car's got a 3-inch lift all round. It sits a lot better than the 2-inch with the 35s. I haven't been off-road with it properly yet, so this is going to be an ultimate test. Just going to have a bit of fun today, nothing too crazy because I'm here alone. So yeah, get to it and see how it goes. Get some flex shots. So far so good, pretty happy with how it's flexing and moving, and most of all it's not scrubbing. So mint. Got my lemon iced tea, some sweet chili chicken, and I'm gonna enjoy the view and have my lunch. Look at that view. Mint. See you guys after lunch. We're hitting the second big hill now, and then I think after that it splits up, and then there's two sections. So this was the first sections of the Powerline track, and then there's another second section. It's a bit more hectic, so not too sure if I'll go as far as there. May do. It's only 2:30, so we'll just suss it when we get there. We'll have a look. So yeah, we'll do that. I think there's a big like a water thing crossing, like a big bog hole thing. Probably won't do that. I'm not really a fan of going through those bog holes. If it was like a normal river crossing, yeah, but bog holes, alright, don't really want to get stuck, especially being out here alone and having muddy water fill up the car. It's not what you want. guys, that's the end of this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about the 3-inch setup. Yeah, they're pretty heavy coils all around, like the rear's constant 400s, and the front's Toyota bar and winch as well, so yeah. Oh, also, I may have stated on Instagram, not too sure, but the shocks, a lot of you people are asking what lifts in it, so the shocks are EFS, and the coils are levels, mainly just for the weight factor, so yeah, that's good. See you guys next time.